Yeah, I'm looking for a actress. Honestly, I'm searching for a damsel. Genevieve, Nimo Fefe. Please, I need a celebrity girlfriend.
I just dress like this finish. That person they sweat with this heel when I wear. All this motorway they pass, you know they say fine girl. So I set like this. I know they sweat too. 1 hour makeup.
Man, she big.
Take on time to that matter. This show won't finish your life. Beg.
Like, hey, my celebrity girlfriend, my baby, no mind them.
Yeah, good afternoon. Where is a fine girl like you going to?
I just want to quickly get to the mall.
Don't worry, just enter, just hop in.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I just came back from Paris, so I don't like driving in this country. The road is bad.
Yeah, it's true. You know, the government in this country, they are just doing some.
Did you know the commissioners?
Those new ones, Abi?
Yeah, they're all my uncles.
Wow. No problem. No problem at all. No. Just put your seatbelt. Let's go.
Seatbelt. See, this your seatbelt. I don't understand. The seatbelt in Bugatti is not like this. They're different.
Hey, my celebrity girlfriend, my baby, no mind them.